Hi guys, today I'm gonna be making chia pudding. I never tried it before, it's my first time. I saw it on TikTok, so I want to try it. And yeah, so my first ingredient is chia seeds. We're gonna put two tablespoons of chia seeds. I'm excited. One, two. Yeah. So now I'm gonna add 1 cup of milk. Almond milk, because that's the milk of my choice. Now I'm gonna stir it. A lot. Stir it.
You gotta keep stirring it. For a good minute or so.
Okay. Now, now I'm gonna put my honey.
Why?
Hmm?
Why you gonna put honey?
To make it sweeter. I'm gonna put honey to make it sweeter. I'm gonna stir it up. I'm supposed to get the
You're supposed to let it set.
really?
Yes, that's what I was like.
Oh. Okay. So now I'm gonna leave it set I'm gonna leave it set until tomorrow. And yeah.
Are you gonna add the strawberries one time?
No, I'm not. Because I don't think it will come out right because it's not like thick. Yeah. I think it will just sink to the bottom. Okay, guys, it's the next day, and the cheesy pudding is ready. Here it is. Look at, ooh, 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 look at that. And now I'm going to put my fruits in. I'm going to put banana and strawberry. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, ready? Wait. Hold on, let me try it. Let me try it. I'll try it out. I don't like this.
What does it taste like?
Like it has like it doesn't taste like anything, but like it has like that little has like a little taste to it, and like the texture of it, I don't like it. Like it's slimy and it's no, no, it's a zero. No, I'm sorry, I don't like it. it was like the texture, and it was like slimy, and like, and the fruits didn't even help. So, yeah. But if you guys wanted to try it yourselves, I actually put 4 tablespoons of chia seeds in here, not 2, 4. And yeah, and oh yeah, I put 4 tablespoons instead of 2. So if you want to try it yourself, make sure you do that. And yeah, not what I was expecting. I was really excited. But yeah, thanks for trying it with me. That was a fail. I'm so sad. Bye. See you on my next video.